everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And now guys, we will have our unboxing one of my collection tong. So another collection tong. Anyway, this is my old tong collection. So old underwear, old G-string. So I will show you guys one of my collection. This is old tong and one by one. So this is our just only to show you guys my another tong collection. This old tong. So one is this one. It's so crazy. It's very nice, guys. Look. Yeah. That's so nice. And the next is this one. This is very old tong. So I really like to wear this one anyway. Wait. Oh my goodness, I forgot this, guys. Look. So it's so nice. Wow, very nice. Look at this is a spider style. So spider style. This is spider style, guys. Very nice. So, and the next is this one. Look, it's very nice. So crazy. Look at look at the style. This is one of my favorite old tong. Very nice. Look. So this next is this one, a butterfly tong. So this is a butterfly tong, guys. So I really like. This is very old tong anyway. So it's a butterfly tong. And the next is this one. I don't know this tong anyway. Just like so crazy. See, it's very nice. Wow. And the next is this one. I don't know, just like so crazy, guys, this style. And the next is very, one of my very old tongs. So this is one of my collection, guys. So, and the next is, it's so crazy. It's butterfly style. Look at the front. It's a butterfly style, right? It's so nice. I really love this. So butterfly style. And the next is this one. I love this one also. It's very sexy. Look, guys. So crazy, guys. So very sexy. Look at that. Okay. So nice. And the next is black color. This one. This is so crazy style, guys. It's so crazy. And the next is also this one. Oh my goodness, so crazy also the style. I don't know, just crazy style, guys. And the next is this one, guys. So I love this. I always wear this one, guys, because I love the style and the color. I like the color also. And the next is this is the last. So yeah, this is it, guys. So I hope you enjoy my old tongs, and I have so many old tongs, guys, but I need to what we call it, I need to find, I need to, you know. So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification button bell, so that every time that I have upload, you can alerted, you can notify me, you can notify my videos. So don't forget to hit the notification button bell. So thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy my unboxing and to show you my old collection tomes. Bye bye everyone.